6 tips to clear a stuffy nose in minutes. A cold can pop up anytime, especially during the changes in temperature or weather, and the beginning of spring or fall. Their signs are an overall sick feeling and a stuffy nose. Colds are uncomfortable because they make it hard to get oxygen to the rest of the body, and just breathing through your mouth is not enough. That's why finding a way to clear your stuffy nose is important. It can ease some of the bother that comes with a cold. Check out these tips for cleaning a stuffy nose fast. 1. Eat spicy foods. Spicy foods help loosen mucus, which will clear your sinuses quickly. It may not last long, but it's great to get help from the food you eat anyway. To add spicy foods to your diet, use onion and garlic and spices like wasabi in your meals. It's best to use raw onion and garlic. You can also eat raw hot peppers, like serrano or jalapeno chilies. The more you add these ingredients to your diet, the more help you'll get. 2. Massage your sinuses. Your sinuses are the spaces that are right next to the nasal septum. A lot of mucus can build up there, so rub it in a circle motion to help loosen it, making the pressure and blockage less bothersome. How do you do it? Put the fingertips of your pointer and middle fingers right under your eye sockets and move them in a circle motion. Do this for 20 to 30 seconds, making sure to press the areas that are closest to your nose and just under your eyes. Finally, press your thumbs against your cheeks and rub them using outward circle motions. 3. Control your breathing. Have you ever tried plugging your ears and nose to open up your sinuses? If you have, controlling your breathing is almost the same at that. Take a deep breath and hold your nose. Then try to blow air from your nose while walking around, until it starts to feel uncomfortable. Now let go of your nose and breathe normally. Sit down, and in a few minutes, you'll see that you've cleared your airways. 4. Saline solution. For this cure, you have 2 choices: buy saline solution from a pharmacy or make it yourself at home. Both ways will work, but we like using home cures, especially when they're this easy. Just boil some water with salt and let it cool. Once you have the solution, use a syringe to pour the liquid into your nostrils where it will clear your blocked nasal passage right away. 5. Mint. Mint is used a lot to ease respiratory problems that come with colds. This is because it has acetic and ascorbic acids. These parts are so helpful that after breathing in menthol or menthol-based ointments just a few times, your problem will clear up in a few minutes. 6. Take a hot shower. Taking a hot shower is a good idea for fighting colds. The steam from the hot water will go into your respiratory system and break up blockages, to help you take in air. Plus, a little bit of hot water in the nasal passages will help you fight congestion. It's also important to wash off all the germs from your sneezing and coughing. When you're done with your shower, dry yourself very well. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe my channel or press to bell icon. And like my Facebook page. Link in description. And hit the like button. Thank you.